Hey everyone, just wanted to quickly share with you guys that I've recently launched My Skool Community. So just wanted to make this video to share with you guys what you would get if you join the community. First of all, you get to ask me questions directly. I make videos on YouTube, and not always do I get time to interact with you guys on a closer level. So I launched this community to help you guys genuinely with any queries you have, any issues you're facing on Go High Level ads, automation, AI, and that kind of stuff. This is not just limited to Go High Level, because I have experience in working with Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Zapier, and lots of other stuff. I want to cover everything in my community. Secondly, and one of the most important reasons for you to join the community is the weekly coaching sessions. So if I go to the calendar, you can see there's a weekly coaching session that happens every Friday, 5 p.m. UK time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I have also shared the topics. So if I want to show you the topics for the upcoming sessions for the rest of the year, these are the sessions that I'm going to cover. These are not just any live sessions, right? These are interactive sessions. So you'll get to join the Zoom calls. You'll see me covering all these topics and trying to show you as much real world projects as possible. But also, you'll get to ask me questions if you have any queries about anything that I'm showing or anything else. Also, you get access to a lot of my resources. So over the years, I've built a lot of resources. Some of them are paid, some of them are free. Some of them I have already shared on my YouTube. Some of them I haven't yet. All of them I'm planning to upload on resources as files, as folders. So you get access to all of them. That will help you a lot in your journey. Also, there are a lot of long form videos that I have planned not to put on my YouTube channel anymore. For example, if I go to the classroom, the agency snapshot build. So this is 1.5 hour long video that I did. So if you are a part of the community, you get early access to all these long form videos. Not actually early access. I'm not planning to upload them on my YouTube channel anytime soon. So for example, this one, you get to see me build a snapshot. Also, you get the snapshot for free. So these are the stuff I'm planning to do in the classroom. Also, there are a few courses regarding Go High Level automations and AI that I'm planning to launch that I will upload here. So if you're a part of the community, you get access to that anyway. So these are a few of my plans. Obviously, there are more to come. I've just launched it. If you have followed me on YouTube or social media, this is my content, but on steroids. So I'm trying to help you out on a more closer level, personal level, and hopefully I will be able to do so with the community. Thank you. And if you have any questions regarding the community before joining, you can obviously ask me in the comments. I will be more than happy to answer them. Thank you, and see you in the next one.